So when you learn a word inside a sentence, it sticks in your brain longer. Okay. So whenever you find a new word, try making a sentence with it right away. Even better if you use it in a conversation. Hi friends, are you struggling to find the right words while speaking English? Maybe you hear a word, understand it, but unable to use it in a sentence, right? If this is your case, don't worry, I am here to help you. See, vocabulary is like fuel for your English. The more words you know, the easier it gets to express yourself. I am English Friend 360, and in this video today, I am going to share simple, fast and funny ways to boost your vocabulary without memorizing long word lists. Stay with me till the end because I have a special challenge for you that will help you remember new words effortlessly. Are you ready? Okay, let's go step by step. Step number one, learn words in context, not in isolation. So let me ask you one question. Have you ever memorized a long list of words only to forget them later? If so, that's because words don't exist alone. Yes, you heard that right. Words don't exist alone, but they exist only in context. So always try to learn words in context. For example, instead of just learning the word curious, learn it by framing a sentence like I'm curious about learning new languages. Got it? So when you learn a word inside a sentence, it sticks in your brain longer. Okay, so whenever you find a new word, try making a sentence with it right away. Even better if you use it in a conversation. Okay, and step number two, surround yourself with English. Surround yourself with English. What if you could learn new words without even trying? Sounds great, right? That's what happens when you surround yourself with English. Okay. But how to surround yourself with English? Simple. Read stories, articles, or even subtitles on YouTube videos and watch English movies and TV shows. Pay attention to how words are used. Moreover, listen to English podcasts or songs. So, the more you expose yourself to English like this, the more words naturally you pick up, just like how kids learn their mother tongue, right? And now, step number three, use the 5x method to remember words. Okay, so use the 5x method. Have you ever learned a new word and forgotten the next day? Forgotten it the next day? That's because in order to memorize anything, our brain needs repetition. So, whenever you learn a new word, you have to use it repeatedly as much as possible. Okay, that is the secret. But how? Here is a trick. When you learn a new word, use it 5 times the same day. Number one, use it in a sentence. Number two, say it out loud. Number three, write it in a diary or notebook. Number four, use it in a text message. And number five, try explaining it to someone. If you do these 5 things, by the end of the day, that word will be stuck in your mind. Okay, and step number four, play funny vocabulary games. Who says learning vocabulary is boring? It's not true. If you try to develop your vocabulary just like playing a game, it will never be a boring task. You can play word association game. Just pick a word and think of its related words. I mean, associate some other words related to it. For example, take the word ocean. From it, you can generate waves. From it, you can generate beach. And from it, you can generate vacation. And there is no limit for it. Got it? And apart from it, you can use some apps like Duolingo or Quizlet. They make learning words fun. Okay? Now, I would like to give you 1 minute challenge. Set a timer for 60 seconds and try to name as many words as possible from a category like fruits, emotions, travel. Okay, so like that. But remember, fun feeling is very important. The more fun you have, the faster you will learn. Okay, and finally, step number five, speak and write every day. So now this is the most important step. Use your new words in your speakings and in your writings as often as possible. Use at least one new word in a conversation every day and write a short paragraph or a diary entry using the new words. Apart from it, record yourself speaking and listen to how you sound. You know, the more you use your words, the stronger they become in your memory. Alright, here is your vocabulary challenge for you today. Pick one new word from this video and use it in a sentence. Type it in the comments below. I will check them and give feedback. Okay, and dear friend, this is all about this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss a new video. So now go out there and start using new words and watch your vocabulary grow. Happy learning. Bye.